What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am sincerely Niko, and in today's video we got a new product to try out, and that is the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. If you guys are interested in this particular video, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because I'm doing some lit shit over here. I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. But go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you guys are not, if you guys are subscribed, what's up girl, welcome back. It's nice to see you again girl, what's the tea? Last but not least, make sure you guys hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload. And also down in the description bar below there is a link for Sephora Squad. Sephora Squad came back for employees. I need you guys to go and fill out that application, leave a testimonial for you girl. With all that said, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So here is the PR package for the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. I'm going to try to fit all of this in the frame. It's huge and it's beautiful. Get into this, honey. This is really tea. This is cute. So as you guys can see, there is a mirror, a fan, and an eyeshadow palette. The mirror itself retails for $25, the fan retails for $15, and the eyeshadow palette retails for $45. You can actually pick up the bundle with the box, the PR box, for $115 on Anastasia Beverly Hills website. I think that's a good, awesome deal. If you guys are a huge Drag Race and Alyssa Edwards fan, or a huge Anastasia fan, and you collect all the eyeshadow palettes from whenever the first eyeshadow palette you decide to buy from Anastasia, this is a good deal. I'm so happy to have this to put into my collection now. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on. Oh, wait, hold on, wait. Also, I do have the eyeshadow primer. I don't know the price point on this, but I have the 0.5 milliliter. There's also another size as well too, which is a mini travel size. They're going to be offering as well. So I'm going to be trying this out as well too for you guys on camera. So let's just jump right on into this video. So I have the primer in hand. Retail price for $23. I didn't know if I said that prior to, but retail price for $23. I'm a little scared about it. I saw a lot of reviews of this primer. It is very much pigmented and gonna pop white on my skin tone. I hope Norina comes out with some deeper ones, but let's go ahead and pop her on and blend this out. And I'm just using what just like sprouted out from me opening it. Like I didn't even squeeze it. It just, ooh. This is a whole another ball game. So I'm gonna take the first shade, which is Back Rose. I'm just gonna do a little cut crease moment, and then I'm going to phone in some friends to help me pick other colors after this. They don't know what the look is going to be, but they're going to help me create a look for you guys on camera. And I'm just going to lay down the first color and the base of everything, of course. So the first shade I'm going to try on this eye is Back Rose. And I'm just going to pop this right into my crease. I'm using the Sephora number 41. This is the Pro Drawing Shadow Brush. I love to use this to kind of map out what look I'm going to create. Alright, I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow primer and I'm just going to clean up the bottom portion of this cut crease. Alright, so the eyes are cut to capacity. Honestly, this eyeshadow primer is bomb. It didn't even like make the eyeshadows or the other color like mix into it. Like, you know, with the concealer, when you cut your crease with the concealer, you usually run into that area where like your concealer you're cutting with turns a different color. This did not do that. This kept true to color. It allowed me to cut my crease very much well, and she gets a thumbs up for effort. Color, I don't know. My brows, one of my brows are so bright. I feel like I'm just about to really be lifted like these girls with the halo brows. So we're gonna dig into this palette and we're gonna pick out some shades. But I have a special guest. I have two special guests on FaceTime with me right now. I just phoned in a couple of friends. They're going to help me pick out shadows for this look. I'd like to introduce my good sis who has an amazing podcast that you guys should check out, which is called The Shade Range, where they talk about makeup, new releases, and all of the buffoonery on the beauty community. I'd like to introduce you guys to Miss Brittany.
Hey, this is Britt, aka your favorite girl at the makeup counter on What's Up. I'm happy to be here on Niko's channel. So I can pick out some colors for this cut crease, you know, because he knows how to do one.
I also have a good girl that you guys enjoyed on my channel a lot. You guys left some amazing comments for her, and I definitely had to bring her back. Welcome to the video. It's Dion.
It's me, the dog, period. Y'all want me back, so here I am. Cut the check. Miss Vanjie, period.
The Cuentadas.
The Cuentada.
Alright, so they're going to help me pick out some palette colors. Dion actually is also on PR with ABH as well too, so he already tried this palette, so he knows how the formula works. So I hope, I hope my sis don't set me up for failure. Britt is not on PR for ABH, but she is a very much connoisseur when it comes down to colors. So I definitely had to phone my two favorite people in on this video just to kind of help me create this look. So I'm going to show them the palette, and they're going to tell me which color to start off first. Now, y'all guys make a decision together. Which color should I start for the inner corner?
I'm thinking, because I'm looking at a lot of people who did reviews, they're not doing a tequila sunrise.
But that's like, straight out though. That's like, you really gonna have me do a sunrise sunset look. That's what you want? So you telling me I need to start with yellow? But there's no orange in this palette. But there's no orange in this palette.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to mix.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the cream with the primer. The primer is tea. The primer is tea.
Supreme can be an orange. I can buff out with Supreme with the primer. They don't know where I'm gonna place this shadow at first. So I'm actually gonna turn my camera around.
So extra.
And I'm going to put this eyeshadow look together as they tell me which particular colors to put on next. So I'm going to go ahead and take Brick Road. And I'm taking a Morphe 441. And I'm going to go ahead and place this on my eyes. This one?
Yeah.
Beyond's a shimmer.
Oh, it's a shimmer? Yeah, but pocket, home. Get low. Yeah, the matte purple. Yeah. I think I need a little darker. No, this is cute. Yeah, the matte purple is a blue. Wait, ain't no blue in that palette, girl.
Yes, it
It's a blue. Oh, it is?
And she's pigmented boots.
Okay, then.
Yeah, I took that boots. And then I was like, damn, bitch, you did blue looks already. Cut the crease.
Alright, so the purple is the blue.
The purple.
Purple.
Purple sparks in blue. In blue.
Alright, so I'm just going to take this eyeshadow primer real quickly, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit to clean up some of these mistakes that I made on this eye. I'm trying my hardest not to describe what I'm doing because my friends don't know what's going on this look. And if you guys can see, I should screen record them. So I'm going to take the shade Headliner, and I'm going to take this on the Suva 550 brush, and I'm just going to pop that right on the lid. to set this primer. What foundation should I put on?
We need something full coverage.
I mixed Maybelline, gave me a Maybelline Superstar. And I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot.
That's a good combo.
I want to do a wing, but I don't want to do color. Should I do a color wing? I got my orange. I'm gonna do an orange liner. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, these girls are going to get.
And let them. And don't give them no water either. Don't pat their backs either.
I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video with y'all and all that damn ruckus.
Keep it in there.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I know this is a little bit different from what you guys are used to seeing on my channel. I told you guys in 2019 I'm playing with colors, I'm not stopping. This is really a look. This is really a thing. This is a bop. This is a bop. This look is everything. Can your fave do this? Probably not. Who knows? I mean, who knows? I honestly think this is a really good palette. I did use Headliner, Beyond, Brick Road, Texas Made, Dream It, and Believe out of this whole entire palette. So I did use a shimmer and a couple of mattes to create this look. And honestly, this look is tea. This palette is really pretty. It's a good spectrum palette. It doesn't have an orange. Again, Dion, Brittany, and Mahogany, which came in a little bit later. I did introduce Mahogany. Did help pick this eyeshadow look. They do not know what this look looks like until this video uploads on Tuesday, which is today. So, surprise, bitch. This is the look you guys helped create. So without further ado, I'm going to end this video here. I definitely strongly suggest getting this palette. It's amazing, it's beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this whole twist on the video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, all that good stuff. I'm going to end this video here because I'm getting a little long-winded. And I will see you guys Friday for a foundation hunt video. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Dirty, leave it, stop, formatting.